Alright, so just a little update video here. I'm here at the hotel in Thief River Falls, and this is my first. Hello. This is my first room here at the hotel. This is my first. I'm just going to be here for about a week, and yeah, this is on the way to. So we start at Digi-Key on Monday. There I am. Hi, B. Started Digi-Key on Monday. We had our orientation this morning. And yeah, this is part of my compensation package here. I like the shower rod. This is part of my path to Alaska. My shower. Pull that back. Yeah, I like this. Make sure I'm all the way out there. I really like this shower curtain and rod. It's curved out. It comes out that way and curves out. Pretty neat. Basic. I'd say basic hotel, but this is actually quite nice. Yeah, I'm only keeping those beer cans there because I want to crush them. Actually, I think I'll turn them in for get my nickel back. We'll see. But yeah, here's lightning. Got lightning all hooked up. Already taken it for a number of rides. Got the trunk good to go. Some clothes hanging up here. I don't know how well that shows up, but a little laundry. And just kind of getting settled in here. I've actually been here a couple days now, but just wanted to give a little update. The room's a little bit of a mess, but not too bad. My plan here, let's actually go ahead and turn on this other light so you can see a little better. Turn on both lights. In fact, my plan, so here's a food box here, and we're planning on going to a food pantry. We got a microwave. Can't really see it that well, but microwave, a little refrigerator here. Not too much in it, but a few things. And yeah, life is good. Got a nice TV there. I watched TV for about, I don't know, an hour and decided I couldn't stand it anymore. The commercials, just like I remember it being. Got my laptop, and there is an HDMI hookup here. So I'm probably going to hook up my computer. I'll only be in this hotel for a week, and then I'll be moving to another one. But I'm going to hook up my computer, and yeah, get some gaming. Got internet. Got a little coffee maker here, and my bowl. Got my tools. I'll do a video also of Jared's apartment. Jared actually has a full apartment. But yeah, we just finished our orientation this morning. There's my lemon tree, and I don't know if my rosemary looks like it's going to make it. The two rosemary cuttings I took here and here look like they're going to make it. But this is an avocado cutting, and I'm not sure that that's going to make it. But my lemon tree is doing good. It's doing quite well. We camped out in the Chippewa National Forest for a couple of nights, and first time in my life I heard wolves howling. So yeah, this is my home for the next week, and then I'll be moving to another hotel, and that'll be my home for conceivably the next 9 months or so. But yeah, let's turn this around, I guess, and since I got all, I could probably open up this other curtain here. This is so signing off from, we're here in Thief River Falls for our Digi-Key station experience, and we're all set to go. I start Monday. Jared and I start Monday at 9:15, and so Life is good. Peace. I'll do an update video also of Jared's place. The battery on my camera was dead, but yeah, I gotta get in the habit of. You know what I need is a tripod. I should write that down. But yeah, my battery is dead, but I'll take my camera over and give a little update and a little video tour of Jared's apartment that he'll be in for the 9 months that we're here working. And yeah, so working my plan to head to Alaska, get the money, then get freedom, my bus. Did I say that out loud? I think I did. Yes, so yeah, that's gonna be the name of my bus. Anyhow, until next time. Today is November 3rd, so all is good. Peace.